Hi, welcome to day 11 of Vlogmas. I am Hope here at Crafty Hope, and I'm taking you on this journey of what's going on in my life in the month of December leading up to Christmas. We might go beyond Christmas. We'll see. We'll see. We may not even include Christmas. We'll see what happens. It is Sunday, December 10th. I had a big breakfast. You probably saw that. That is not my usual MO, but it's a Sunday. My husband really loves a good big breakfast. So I knew I had eggs. I had some ham left over from the potato soup I made earlier in the week. And I was like, you know what? A ham and cheese omelet sounds perfect. So we did that. It was good. I'll probably be fueled up for longer than I need to be. Today holds, what does today hold for us? Pat is still working on, he's doing some kitchen renovations. He installed a new wall oven for me, so he's putting some drawers below it that were not there before because we had a double oven. So he's got one drawer, and I showed that one last night. He's going to do two smaller ones above it. I'm really excited about those because I have had a basket of like serving utensils and the pizza cutter and little things that you need in a kitchen, but not all the time. It's in a basket like way up above my head, above the stove, and if he puts that drawer in, I can put a lot of those in a drawer, and I'm so excited about that. So I'll probably have to put some contact paper or something down until I can maybe paint it later. But we're not gonna paint anything until he's done with all of it. Yeah. So he's gonna do that this morning. We may go for our bike ride this afternoon. Today's temperatures are like crazy. I woke up, it was almost 70 degrees when we woke up, and the temperatures are steadily dropping throughout the day. It's 57 now, and I think sometime in the night it's going down to almost freezing. So it might be a nice bike ride because it'll be cooler than it was yesterday. Yesterday was miserable. All right, so I'm gonna open my Advents real quick. While he's working on that stuff, what did I want to do? I don't know. I want to do Care December again. Excuse me. I also maybe want to edit some other videos besides vlogs. I've got some Christmas presents I want to do for the laser cutter that I may work. So I've got some computer work. So this could be a really boring vlog because I've got some computer work, but I do want to get in the craft room and maybe make some things. I've got, just to play with some beads and stuff might be really lovely, but I know I've got computer stuff, but I could save that for tomorrow. We'll see. All right, let's open my Arteza Fine Art Advent Calendar. So I've got day 10 is right here. And let's see if I can find the little, it's kind of rectangular here. So let me see. This is always so hard on camera. I'm gonna push in and then, okay, there. And then there, pull it open. Ooh, I see another tube of something that's also blue. Oh, it's some gouache in aqua. Y'all, they are spoiling me with the blues in this. I am thinking that some of the inspiration colors come from what is going on here. So this is an Arteza acrylic gouache. I don't have any acrylic gouache. I have jelly gouaches, so I don't think that's the same thing. In aqua, which is A600. I really love that. I love it. Okay, and then I have my mixed media advent swap that I'm doing with Nina Fickett. I will link that below. If you have questions about it, just ask me. She has put another cute little tag on here. And the back of this one has another mushroom. That's another thing I'd like to do is make some mushroom ornaments for my Christmas tree. This one has a beautiful mushroom on it. I love it. I think I tore the little bit up here, but I think I can put something on it to cover that up. All right, let's open number 10, and then I'll tell you what I sent Nina today. I'm a little nervous about what I sent Nina today. So I'm nervous about everything I sent Nina. Because I'm like, maybe she didn't like that. Maybe she, it's the excitement of giving someone a gift, but being unsure how it's going to be received. So let's get this. Ooh, Nina, this is some blueprint. Okay, so it's got one of her little tags that say it is vintage, and it is vintage blueprints. Y'all, it's blue. Oh, I love this. Thank you, Nina. I can't wait to put this in some journals or write down as collage. There's so much of it too. Look, y'all, look. So much of it. Thank you. I really, really like that too. She is really spoiling me. I don't even know. So today what I sent Nina are some button cards. Like, yeah, you know, the button cards. She loves things on cards, and so if you've been watching, I sent her some other notions on cards, and I had these buttons gathered, and then she got a huge haul of button cards from somebody else. I can't remember who, that she bought in one of their D-stashes, and I was like, oh, but I've already got a bunch of button cards, and I'm not sending her near what she received or what she bought, and it's ones I hand selected for her that seemed vintagey, and I don't know. So I'm hoping she likes those. All right, so I'm gonna go put this up. I need to get an Instagram post about my Care December that I did yesterday. And then I don't know what I'm gonna do from there. It is really humid in this house, and none of the Alexa devices are working. So I need to go unplug everything and plug it all back in and see what happens. Anyway, I've been chatting for too long. This will take forever to upload to my computer. So I'm gonna go and I'll pop back in a while. I spent a little time doing the some designs on the laser cutter for my nieces and nephews in Guam that I'm about to send packages to. So I made them some little ornaments that they can either decorate, or my sister-in-law can do whatever she wants with them, along with some little name plaques for each of them that yeah, they can hang on their doors or color or do whatever, that I thought would be fun on the laser cutter. I'm tempted to use them to tag their presents, but I don't know, I kind of want to wrap them up and make sure they don't get broken in shipping. So I don't know, I may just make an envelope, like a bubble envelope that I stick in there for my sister-in-law to open and whatever. Yeah, but right now I'm wrapping presents, and that makes me happy. So yeah, I'm gonna get to that. Oh, that's bouncy. I don't know if y'all can see that bounce, and you're getting some of this bar up here. It is what it is. It's just about 20 till 5. I just got a blueberry buckle in the oven. It's the first like baked thing I'm actually doing. I mean, I've cooked other things in the oven, but this is the first baking. And since Pat's gotten the drawers of and a shelf, drawers below and the shelf above the oven, it's not making the horrible sounds it was making before. So I'm really happy about that. I don't even know if I've shown you both drawers. I think I showed you one. I'll have to show you a little bit the second one I've got, or the third one. I've got all 3 drawers now. We've just got to decide on other ththings. I haven't put anything in the other drawers because I want to put some contact paper or something down, so that I've got, yeah, so it just feels a little bit cleaner. But I really want to watch my video for Care December and maybe do that project while that's in the oven before I start dinner. So at least get the video watched, and then while dinner is baking, maybe do my project. We'll see. At some point I'd like to put the contact paper in, but that may wait till tomorrow. Yeah. So that's the plan right now. So I'm going to sit down, turn this light on, watch my Care December, and then maybe get to it. I did get also my first set of Christmas presents wrapped up for my nieces and nephews. I've got them in a big box. I need to get some packing paper in there and then addresses on and get it to the post office tomorrow. So that's a relief to have that done now, to focus on getting everybody else's Christmas presents. I've got bits and pieces of them and just need to like focus. Hopefully tomorrow I can focus. It's been just a slow day. We did take a bike ride too, and that helped kind of get my energy level up. So I'm glad for that. Just been doing. All right, let me get back to doing. I'm in the office trying to transfer videos over for today's vlog. I also found that I got an order from a friend of mine from high school, so I will be packing that up in the morning and trying to get that in the mail to her. And then what? Yeah, I made a buckle. It's sitting cooling, and I'm looking at to ask Pat if he wanted to just have that for dinner. But I had a really easy dinner. We had shepherd's pie, that's some leftover pulled pork, and corn and mashed potatoes with a little bit of cheese. I mentioned that the other day, but since we went and had Mexican last night, we didn't have it. So that's in the oven. It'll probably be going off soon. So we'll chow on that and some buckle, and I'll work on this vlog. I need to get an Instagram post up about my Advent with Nina from yesterday for today. Anyway, I'm running so far behind on everything, and I'm looking at my Instagram realizing I don't have any pictures of nature for a while, which is a little crazy for me. That's what I like to intersperse in there. I did put a picture up on, well, my stories, but that, yeah, I may have to do the same picture maybe tomorrow of my acorns and skeleton leaves that are sitting in my office. So anyway, that is probably it for today. I'm going to enjoy our very yummy dinner and twinkle lights and maybe that movie finally. I don't know. We'll see what happens. Last night we watched some Bake Off. You can't go wrong with holiday Bake Off, can you? Alright guys, I will see y'all on day 12 of Vlogmas.